Welcome to this Mangold tutorial about analyzing transcriptions in Interact. There are various ways to create transcriptions in Interact, either manually through imported subtitle files or automatically generated by AI, as demonstrated in another tutorial. We'll use a pre-installed demo file with the transcript of a conversation during this tutorial. No matter how the transcriptions were created in Interact, as long as the input is available in the dedicated transcription field, you can analyze these texts in different ways. First of all, there is a simple word count available on the Text tab. You can limit the count to some selected lines only or get results over multiple datasets at once, split per dataset. The text analysis settings allow you to specify what to analyze and what to ignore. You can even exclude special characters or whole words by entering them in the Special Characters field. Confirm any changes by clicking OK, and let's execute the per dataset routine. The resulting table lists all words found in the transcriptions in the left column, and the number of occurrences per word per dataset in additional columns. The text analysis menu also offers a command called Convert Tagged Words into Codes. Tagging word means that you enter a hash directly in front of certain keywords to tag it, so this routine can turn these words into codes. For now, we'll enter this hash manually in this demo. Presume we are interested in all occasions where the words coffee or movie are used. As soon as the words are tagged, running the Convert Tagged Words into Codes command creates a new class with the tagged words listed as codes. This tagging feature has been around for ages, but we took this idea one huge step forward. Now, it is possible to prepare a list of keywords and corresponding codes in predefined classes to label all applicable events in one pass. Let's take a look at the demo workflow that comes with your Interact installation. We'll open the Create Codes based on Transcripts workflow. The description hint explains what is about to happen, but we'll take a close look at the configuration of this workflow. By the way, a workflow is a custom-built combination of available commands that the user can create, adapt, and execute. For further details about creating custom workflows, please refer to the Interact documentation. In this demo workflow, we use a module representing a command that is not available in the user interface. Create codes from transcripts. Double-clicking the module allows us to inspect its configuration. In this example, we want to label all events with transcriptions containing the words how, what, and when as a question by entering the code question in the class type. Whenever the word sorry is used, the event should be labeled with the code apologize in the class emotion, and so on. It is, of course, possible to enter your personal keywords and create your own labels in a custom workflow. But for now, we will stick to these words and labels because they fit the conversation in the demo data file. Let's run this workflow by clicking this little Run triangle. First, the description mentioned before appears, and we confirm this dialog with OK. Instantly, the original file is duplicated and enriched with the new code labels. Notice that there are a lot of questions, but the other labels like apologize and for different locations were also applied. Now that these events have received additional information in the form of codes, they can be analyzed like any other code in Interact. So they'll appear in the various descriptive statistics and can be used for any of the additional analysis, transformation, and restructuring routines. But that is not part of this tutorial. Instead, we'll focus on a cool visualization for transcripts. For this, we'll switch to the Analysis tab. Under Visualization, there is a command called Word Cloud Diagram. This command only applies to words within the transcription field. It cannot be applied to regular codes. When executing this command, we can limit the data pool to events with specific codes only, like all events labeled with the code question, or keep everything selected to use all transcriptions. In the second dialog, we can influence the appearance of the diagram by selecting a background color or a different coloring map. To exclude words, enter them here, separated by a comma, but we'll keep everything as is and confirm with OK. The word cloud is generated in the background and automatically displayed in a browser window. To save the results, right-click on the image and select the command Save Image As from the context menu. Pick a location, properly name the file, and click Save for further use as a word cloud image. Mangold Interact loves interacting with other tools, so check out the various import routines for further possibilities. We are happy to speed up your research, so watch our other videos to learn more.